Hello friends, today we are going to be reading a story called The Foolish Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Here we go. Once upon a time there lived a greedy lion who attacked and killed animals, because of which every animal in the jungle was very afraid of him. One day they decided that each animal would go to the lion per day as his prey. The lion agreed. When it was the rabbit's turn, they decided to send the wise old one. He traveled slowly and reached the lion's den before sunset. The lion furiously asked him, "Why are you so late?" The rabbit answered, "A group of rabbits were coming to you, but on their way the others were attacked by another ferocious lion. I managed to escape and come here." The rabbit also mentioned that the other lion was challenging this one. The lion was extremely angry and asked the rabbit to take him to meet the new lion. The wise rabbit took the lion to a deep well and showed him his own reflection. As the lion growled, his reflection did the same. He considered this reflection to be his enemy. The enraged lion jumped into the well to attack the other lion and ended up dying. Thus, the wise old rabbit saved himself and all the animals in the forest. The moral of the story is, one must always focus on solutions rather than problems. The end.